Starleena. You can come on down. Come on, learning the stairs. Come on. You can do this. Come on. Come on. You got it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, you can do it. What are you doing? You can do it. It's right there. Oh, you can go up just fine. Yeah, she can go up just fine. Yes, she can. Oh, no, she's stuck on that stair. Oh, she's just going to keep going. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, we believe in you, Starleena. We do. We do, don't we, Gizmo? We sure do. Gizmo, oh. Oh, Gizmo. You getting feisty, Starleena? Sounding like a gremlin. Want to try it? Okay. Oh, yeah, there you go. See? Not too bad. Oh, Gizmo, 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 Gizmo. Oh, Gizmo, Gizmo, Gizmo. See, there she comes. She wants the attention. That's what she wants. She wants the attention. Look at her go. That's what it was. You're not motivated by trees. You're motivated by attention. Oh, you're a little lover. A little lover. Oh, oh, Gizmo. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Look at you two. Oh, little lovers. Little lovers. Oh. Oh, I love you both.